来看面册，母公司 Meta 宣布讲要取消面册 IG 跟 Threads 等平台的第三方查证机制，用户会当家己来注明讲可能有假信息的发文。这篇中萨克伯格是指出讲，因为第三方查证机制有上侪政治偏见，影响到用户的信任，嘛危害到言论自由。也毋过外界是质疑讲，这是 Meta 在向美国的新总统川普表示友善的做法。
There's been widespread debate about potential harms from online content. Governments and legacy media have pushed to censor more and more. A lot of this is clearly political, but there's also a lot of legitimately bad stuff out there. Drugs, terrorism, child exploitation. These are things that we take very seriously, and I want to make sure that we handle responsibly.
Meta 执行长萨克伯格透过影片宣布 ，Meta 下架社群平台内容审查新政策，未来采取甲 X 平台同款的做法，取消第三方实时查核机制，该由社群甲用户家己标注可能有假信息、甲错误信息的大文。新措施会为美国地区开始做。萨克伯格表示，这互用户收到过去被过滤的内容，保障是言论自由，因为第三方查核已经有参详过侪政治偏见。
The recent elections also feel like a cultural tipping point towards once again prioritizing speech. So we're going to get back to our roots and focus on reducing mistakes, simplifying our policies, and restoring free expression on our platforms.
专家指出，取消第三方审查有好有歹，算也是社群生态一定的演变。
Misinformation is rampant on platforms, and what I worry about is that by taking away fact-checking, we're going to see more regulatory pushes from outside of the U.S. That's not necessarily a good thing. We want fact-checking as a response to misinformation rather than state censorship.
萨克伯格也宣布简化平台内容政策，放任移民甲性别等特定议题限制，同时也甲川普政府合作，对抗各国对美国科技公司的审查行动。萨克伯格最近一直向川普示好，外界分析这是 Meta 靠向川普的做法。Meta 下平台目前有30亿个用户，新政策未来可能扩展到美国以外所在，可能对全球的数位内容管理政策有重大影响。公司新闻电小分评论。